Welcome back, future product designers, to this beginner's course on Autodesk Fusion 360. My name is Avia Jamadagni, and today we'll be looking at exporting files for 3D printing. This is how we ended up in the last lesson. We just finished our local render, and now for exporting this file, let's navigate back to our design workspace. As you can see, it carried that appearance with you. Now, it's not necessary to change this appearance for 3D printing, as an STL file, which is what we're going to be exporting to, only carries the main structure, the physical geometry of it. So even if you put any appearance, it won't take that into consideration. So to convert to an STL file, which is what 3D printers use to print, all you need to do is right-click on Product 1 V8, navigate to Save as STL, and as you can see, it highlighted this component. And all you need to do is make sure that the format is binary. Make sure preview mesh. You could preview your mesh just to make sure, just to see whether you have enough triangles or not. And refinement, make sure that this setting, of course, it can be made better in the refinement options, but make sure that this setting is what your printer requires to print, because if it's not, then you won't get the desired clarity. So all this looks good. Let's go ahead and press OK, and you can just save this wherever you want. So I'm going to save this on my desktop and call it Product 1 V8, and I'm going to press save, and that's it. Now we've exported this product for 3D printing. Now well, this is the end of the lesson, and I don't have any future lesson plans as well. So if you want me to make a specific a video on any specific features or need any help, please leave your suggestions in the comments below, and I'll definitely look into that, and I'll definitely upload more. Thank you so much for watching this series. It's been a great pleasure making these videos, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you again for watching, and have a lovely day.